Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to change default backup time for WhatsApp chat. So you can change backup automatic time according to requirement. On top right, you see three dots, so click on it. And then you see setting option, so again click on it. So we are in setting, and then you see chat, so click on it. So we are in chat option, and then you see chat backup, so click on it. So we are in chat backup, and then you see automatic backup monthly, and then you see last backup 26. Now you see date and size 1.4 GB. So we are going to change automatic backup time. Now click on it. Now you see pop up automatic backup. If you want, you can enable daily option, weekly, monthly, only when I tap backup or off. So it's up to you. So you can select time according to requirement. Like we select only when I tap backup. Option is change. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.